Amid criticism of Bangladesh over the identity and rights of Chakma, Mama, Tripura and other ethnic communities, the position and actions of the Arakan Army AA in Rakhine State should also be examined by the same standard. Bangladesh's debate over ethnic identity is primarily a domestic political and constitutional issue. Citizenship and ethnic identity are not the same thing. A person can be a Bangladeshi citizen while also belonging to an ethnic community. Therefore, protecting minority rights should not be viewed solely through the question of constitutional recognition. At the same time, the Arakan Army presents itself as a defender of the rights and ethnic interests of the Rakhine people and advocates political autonomy and cultural rights. Yet in areas under its control, Rohingya civilians face allegations of killings, sexual violence, forced displacement, arbitrary detention, persecution, and other serious human rights abuses, allegations that have also come under international investigation. The Rohingya crisis certainly did not begin with the Arakan Army. Myanmar's military has long been responsible for widespread abuses against the Rohingya, and its 2017 military campaign forced a massive number of Rohingya to flee to Bangladesh. However, that history does not exempt any other armed actor from accountability for alleged abuses committed today. The central question, therefore, should be when any political or military authority exercises control over a population, does it guarantee equal rights, security, identity and dignity to all communities living under its control? If the Arakan Army advocates ethnic rights, those rights must also apply to the Rohingya. If it demands political and cultural rights for the Rakhine population, it must also clearly explain how the security, identity and rights of the Rohingya will be protected under any future political arrangement. Just as the rights of ethnic minorities in Bangladesh deserve scrutiny, the treatment of Rohingya and other minorities in areas controlled by the Arakan Army must be examined by the same standards. Human rights cannot be applied selectively. If ethnic rights are fundamental rights, they must be fundamental for everyone, including the Rohingya.